In a world with a growing appetite for energy, the discovery and recovery of offshore oil and gas is increasingly important. Companies involved in harnessing these vital resources need dependable, reliable, professional marine services to ensure their work is done safely and productively wherever and whenever there is a job to be done. Our goal is to be an international oil and gas marine services company and Australia's premier and largest provider recognised by our clients for our excellence. We offer a comprehensive range of offshore, inshore and onshore capabilities in support of Australian and South Asian offshore oil and gas operators and to meet the diverse inshore requirements of harbours and ports around Australia. Headquartered in Perth, Western Australia, the Go Marine Group employs more than 650 personnel across a wide range of specialised disciplines. Although we are a privately owned company, we operate as if we were a public company with strict governance, well-defined delegation of authority, and clear separation between the responsibilities of the board and executive management. We are ISO 9001-2008, ISO 14001 and ISO 18001 accredited, and our operations team has comprehensive experience in all facets of the marine industry. Initially, our core services were vessel crewing, ship management and rig moving. As our company has developed, we have added additional services, and now we are able to meet our clients' needs along the length of the supply chain, from warehousing, distribution and transport, through to fast response vessels and utility tugs. Our flagship company is Go Offshore, specialising in offshore oil and gas ship management and marine consultancy. Go Offshore has documents of compliance for the safe operation of ships with Singapore, Australia, Panama, Belize and the Bahamas. Go Offshore is led by a highly experienced team of oil and gas master mariners, chief engineers and HR specialists.
The aim of the Go Marine Group is to be the largest ship owner and operator in the Australian and South Asian regions, supplying superior services and tonnage to our clients.
Go Offshore is pre-approved to work in Australia with all the oil majors and gas companies. We operate a fleet of barges, anchor handling tugs, platform supply vessels, ROV support and diving support vessels on the North West Shelf and the Timor Sea. We have commenced our investment program in new tonnage at an estimated cost of $400 million Australian, aimed at delivering a balanced, adaptable fleet that can be operated in a cost-effective manner, thereby satisfying client needs. Our inshore and offshore fleet will continue to be augmented through our alliance partners, an international shipbroking firm, joint venture arrangements and international shipyards. We have extensive experience in rig moving, having conducted more than 70 rig moves over 2,500 man days without injury or incident. With the most experienced team of deep-water semi-submersible and jack-up rig movers in Australia and New Zealand, we are fully equipped to satisfy legislative and quality assurance requirements throughout the region. We are also highly experienced in special projects, ranging from the reconnection of the FPSO-4 Vanguard to the float-over of the Black Marlin for Angel, and the supply of mooring systems for deep-water operations in Bass Strait. We can provide International Marine Contractor Association accredited vessel inspections, dynamic positioning consultation, mooring analysis, hazard identification coordination, sea trials, dry dockings, conversions and upgrades. Our expert team can prepare the coordination of NOPSA, AMSA, state authorities for development of projects in Australia and overseas. The maritime environment includes inshore operations. Our inshore business, Go Inshore, provides harbour and port vessel services and a range of vessels to support offshore operations. At Port Hedland, our home port, we are the port vessel services operator, providing pilot transfer, harbour patrol, hydrographic survey and maintenance vessels. We also have inshore tugs and barges to support harbour and inshore civil construction activity. In addition, we operate throughout the Northwest Shelf with our inshore vessels supporting our own offshore fleet. We also have bases of operation in Dampier and Exmouth, where we have local fleet managers on the ground ready to service your inshore requirements. Go Inshore is creating and developing numerous opportunities for local businesses as we continue to experience rapid growth in this exciting market sector.
Go Inshore is uniquely placed between our supply chain offering and our offshore business to provide our clients with an integrated supply right through from supplier to offshore platform. And our next move is to expand into ports adjacent to other Australian oil and gas fields, something none of our competitors are capable of.
All marine operations, offshore, inshore and onshore, depend on the quality of the people doing the work. We have a robust induction program and are committed to investing 1% of our total revenues in training to upskill and reskill our existing workforce, as well as contributing to growing the maritime labour pool in Australia. Go Crewing is the Go Marine Group's crew agency business, specialising in the screening, recruitment, matching and supply of experienced personnel.
With more than 2 decades in employee and industrial relations, we are fully up to speed with all aspects of the Australian industrial relations system. We have built highly effective working relations with our employees, subcontractors and unions, and our clients recognise this.
Through our partnering agreements with crewing agencies in 14 countries, we can ensure seamless transition of crews when vessels we are managing leave Australia to work in other regions. We deliver complete crewing packages for rigs, from drill floor to catering, for vessels of all types, offshore and inshore, and complete logistics staffing requirements, from data entry and forklift operators to operations managers. The Go Marine Group has a dedicated Asian office located on the harbour front in the heart of Singapore's maritime business district. Go Asia is our Singaporean registered company operated by an experienced team with a wide, well-established network of contacts and extensive knowledge of the Asian market. Go Asia provides a range of services including vessel chartering, vessel management, marine crewing, new build technical management, regional logistics and support, and marine consultancy. The team at Go Asia manages our own vessels and the vessels we are responsible for when they are working in South Asia outside Australian waters. The Go Marine Group is committed to the highest health, safety and environmental standards. We are committed to ensuring a safe and healthy working environment for all personnel. We believe that all work-related injuries, diseases and asset damage or loss are preventable. The most important factors in any job are the prevention of injury or ill health to people, including employees, client personnel and members of the public, and the preservation of the environment. HSEQ is a primary business objective and it sits alongside our commercial objectives, demonstrating how seriously we view this area of our operations. It is so fundamental to our commercial success that without it, we will cease to be in business. Perfect planning makes for the perfect day. A perfect day at the Go Marine Group is a day when no one gets hurt, there are no incidents, and everybody goes home safe. We are extremely environmentally conscious and keenly aware of the potential environmental impact we may have on every job we do. We actively seek to minimise our environmental footprint through workforce training, asset acquisition, planned maintenance and operational planning, employing appropriate and carefully considered work practices. The Go Marine Group is a young, dynamic operation that is client and operationally focused at every step of the process. We are Australia's largest complete service marine supplier. Wherever and whenever your offshore, inshore or onshore marine project needs reliable, cost-effective, end-to-end solutions, we're good to go.